Hey, what are today's messages? Let's check these out. Listen to the whole answer, not just the part you want to hear. What is it? Your life is a reflection of your standards or what you're willing to tolerate. You will see in the world what you carry in your heart. What do you think? Take a moment to be proud of yourself for surviving the days that felt impossible. Kindness begins with the understanding that we all struggle. Show me what I need to see. Show me what I need to know. Show me what I need to feel. Lori Ladd. Anything that you own that doesn't add to your life or your happiness eventually becomes a burden. And the cards we need to hear today. My thoughts are creative. I say out to every negative thought that comes to my mind. No person, place, or thing has any power over me, for I am the only thinker in my mind. I create my own reality and everyone in it. Divine timing. Be patient, for some things take time to manifest fully in your life. Trust the process. Embrace the uncertainty. Have faith in the journey unfolding before you. Empathy. To be sensitive to and experience the feelings of others. Practice putting yourself in another's shoes and imagining what they must be feeling or experiencing. When you have the opportunity, ask others what their experience is like and listen without judgment. Listen to others without attempting to fix their pain. Make it a goal each day to listen without interrupting. Pay attention to how much you take on other people's feelings or problems so you don't become overwhelmed. Express your empathy by becoming involved in a cause that aims to reduce the suffering of others. And finally, challenge those who show bias or prejudice and encourage others to consider the experiences of those who are different or who are struggling. And our number today, let's see what we get today. Let's draw this one. 54, clarity. I have clarity in my thoughts and actions. I see my path clearly and make decisions with confidence. My clear mind and focused intentions lead me to success. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.